Bonjour, I am Emmanuel Macron. Okay, not. Actually, I wanted to tell you that in a few days, I'll be hosting a live workshop called Find and
Welcome to RSU by PriceLabs weekly podcast. Subscribe now.
Fix the Hidden Quality Issue costing you Airbnb bookings. Come on, that's more fun than talking about Greenland or other things, right? If you manage a portfolio of 50, 150 listings, this will be very familiar to you, right? Imagine you have one listing that underperforms. The fastest reflex is almost always the same, right? Drop the price. And yet, yes, it often works, right? But what if the real problem wasn't the price? What if the real problem is that guests just don't see your listings? It's not just because they have aviator sunglasses while looking at the Airbnb app, right? Maybe they just don't see it because it's not showing up, or they do see it, but they don't trust it enough to click. So, you know that Airbnb has been increasingly clear about one: quality matters. Listings that deliver strong guest experiences are more likely to appear in search, convert views into bookings, and sustain performance over time. But Airbnb has also said that every professional operator knows that quality is hard to scale, right? They've shown data at the PriceLabs. I've seen data. Indeed, the more listings you have, the bigger your portfolio, the lowest the average guest rating you have, right? And we know it's hard to scale quality operationally, right? But yet, that's not just what quality on Airbnb means, right? It's really what I want to underline in the next webinar. Here's the part that hurts. At scale, when performance drops, you can get stuck with questions like, oh, by the way, which of my listings are getting fewer bookings? Is demand down, or are we losing visibility on Airbnb? Is it pricing, or is just a listing not converting on Airbnb? What do we fix first? And because it's hard to diagnose quickly, right? Hard to find a solution quickly. Many teams go back to the same lever: pricing. They adjust rates, adjust minimum stays or discounts, and sometimes nothing changes. And probably you've seen this in your own company. I've seen this in several cases, right? Sometimes the notion of listing quality, as in the impact of listing on the capacity to get more bookings, is not owned clearly by one person or a team, right? You often have one team managing pricing and revenue optimization, and another team handling listing content, marketing, positioning. Different dashboards, different goals, different business language, really. So the link between listing quality and revenue performance becomes fuzzy. Not because people don't care, right? We are professionals, you're professionals, because sometimes the organization is segmented, or the way we see the universe, or here Airbnb, is just not the same. Like, even the same person, sometimes the way you think about Airbnb in terms of revenue is not the same you think about it in terms of listing quality. You're just not wearing the same glasses when you think about either topic. Here's the key change point, right? Quality is not only cleaning and guest messaging, it's key, right? Here I'm talking more about quality of the listing. Quality also lives inside the listing itself, right? Like title clarity, photo coverage, description relevance, amenities accuracy, consistency across everything, review sentiment. Because even with great pricing, if guests don't click, you don't get booked. Obvious, right? If you don't get booked, you don't get revenues. I sound like Mr. Obvious today, but what I meant to say is really this link between the quality of the listing on Airbnb and the revenues that I will be talking about the webinar. I will be talking as well, like a great study we did at PriceLabs, studying thousands of listings to see whether there is indeed a link between the quality of the listings and revenue. If so, what is influential there and how do you fix it, right? So it's really something we can understand, right? The photos don't explain the layout, title is generic, the best feature isn't highlighted, right? That's also very interesting because you think about it, it's not about having a listing being more romantic, more intriguing than another. In the end, if you think about the link with revenue, you really want to make sure that, for example, in the title, the description, you put forward the amenities, features, or I don't know what location stuff that will make people click. That people who come to that destination, I don't know, in a busy city, if they see free parking, that should almost be in the title in a way, because if it's like one of the deciding factors that we know gets more bookings in this area, or more bookings from your competitors, that's a good indication, right? So that's what we're going to be talking about. Before you cut your rates, check your listing quality, right? And we're going to see how to do this at scale. When you have 50, 200 listings, how do you find fast the listings that need to get fixed? So a better quick fix than cutting prices is indeed fixing visibility, improving clarity, building trust, and positioning listing properly, right? So again, I will show data we have on this. I will show a tool that fixes this, that leverages the best data PriceLabs has about performance of your competitors and what AI can do to rewrite listings, analyze consistency between your photos and your description and what the guests are saying. So join me in a few days from now. The link is below. We'll break down what Airbnb's quality focus means in practice for managers. Second, and that's the best part, I think, we'll analyze real listings live, right? I will ask a few of you to submit Airbnb listings ahead of time, and we'll work through them together. What's holding them back, what to fix, what to emphasize in the title, what top revenue listings in the same market do differently, what review sentiment signals about guest expectations, and what small changes can unlock visibility and conversion. So it's a workshop, not a lecture. Right? It's going to be very hands-on. And what makes this session a bit unique is that I'm bringing two hats, two pairs of sunglasses. As the founder of Rental Scale Up, I've been tracking Airbnb's direction for years, as you may know, right? And now, as head of product marketing, my other glasses, I've been working with our data science team on how to measure this problem and solve it in a way that actually works at portfolio scale. So it's not just about how Airbnb works, right? It's also about how a vacation rental tech company like PriceLabs validates a real industry problem and turns it into something practical for you, for managers. Join the workshop. It's happening in a few days. Obviously, it's free as usual. Using the link below if you want to submit a few listings for live analysis. When you register, you have the potential to do that. And see you there.